Welcome to Keyapp, the platform that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search on Google Play and App Store. And despite the fact that our main service is keyword promotion, helping your applications to attract organic users, we are also focused on App Store optimization analytic tools. So to help you to work with promotion and optimization either faster and more efficiently. So let's dive deeper into App Store optimization analytic tools we have on our platform. In Keyapp, we believe that except the services of keyword promotion and app reputation management, it's extremely important to provide our client the possibility to work with analytic App Store optimization tools, so to be able to analyze the keywords, the competitors, the search list, and the application performance in ranking on Google Play and App Store. And the first step you should do on our platform when you start working with Keyapp is, of course, to add the application, and you can easily do it in the section called My Apps. Just press Add New App, select the store your application is available on, select the country you would like to work with, and paste the application link, package, or name. In such a way, you can add the unlimited number of apps to one account, as we do not have any limitations. And to the next section you must go to in the case you are going to analyze the keywords, App Store optimization, search list, competitors, and in a case you are going to use the platform only for keyword promotion, is of course this section called My Keywords. Here you may see a kind of typical block on our platform where you need to select the store, the application, and the country you are going to work with, and at this stage you can proceed to keywords adding to the account. First of all, you can just type some keywords relevant for your application, and at the same time you can import the keywords from the file, and you can clone the keywords from any other region where you have added some requests previously. At the same time, you can just copy paste the keywords, and you can add the unlimited number of requests for one application and for one country. Just we have some limitation that you can add 500 keywords at a time when you work in this section. After you have added even couple of keywords, you can extend the keyword cloud just in a few minutes using our tools. So you know that when you go to Google Play or App Store and type any kind of keyword in the search bar, you can see the suggested keywords, and actually that's the tool we have on our platform as well. You can use this tool so to add the other keywords for your application, and remember that suggested keywords are extremely important in App Store optimization, in indexation, and in keyword promotion, because a lot of users use suggested keywords to specify their requests on Google Play and App Store. So just in a few minutes you can considerably extend your keyword cloud for any application using this method, and you may see that actually just in a few minutes we have found 11 more keywords for our application, and we can do the same process for each search request we have in our original list. At the same time, this section helps you to analyze the application positions. First of all, it is extremely important to understand the positions when we are talking about the indexation, so to make sure that our application is visible on store. And of course, it's also important to understand this when we work with keyword promotion, so to know which keywords to take to the campaigns. And one note that actually you can do the same way with the competitor apps and analyze the positions they have in different regions. So you can add as many keywords as needed for any of available countries in this list. And at the same time, you can easily analyze the positions as we do not have any limitations for rank updates and so on. And actually, all the tools we are talking about are free to use, and you just need to create the account on our platform. At the same time, working in this section, you have the possibility to check the keyword popularity or the keyword score, and it is calculated from 5 to 100, and the higher the score is, the more popular the keyword is, and the more frequently it is used by different users on Google Play or App Store. At the same time, you can check the estimated traffic. It is the maximum daily searches by the particular keyword. Please pay attention that both keyword popularity or keyword score and estimated traffic are quite approximate numbers, and unfortunately, Google Play and App Store do not provide any official data regarding the traffic, and regarding this score, only App Store has search ads popularity, and basing on these numbers we can show the score. But for Google Play there is no official data, and all the services actually, and we at Keyapp also use our own formulas to calculate these numbers and to show for our users. But anyway, despite the fact that there are no official numbers, we still need both score and traffic, so to understand which keywords we will be focused on in App Store optimization and keyword promotion. At the same time, we also have the possibility to check the search list for any keyword on Google Play and App Store, and you can check all 250 applications that are indexed for the particular search request in the particular country you work with. And this option is completely free as well. You can do as many requests of the search list as needed, and in such a way you can also analyze the competitors and gather the competitors when you proceed with the analysis of App Store optimization or any other marketing activity that actually done by other applications on Google Play and App Store. And all these tools that were shown actually free to use on our platform, and you do not need to pay for them. You just can create an account at your application and start working with these tools. Of course, this section is also important if you are going to work with keyword promotion campaigns, as before you go to add campaign section, you need to add some keywords to this section. So working with our analytic tools is completely free, and you can just enjoy all the options we have in this section. And of course, if you need some advices regarding the keywords, regarding the tools, or regarding the promotion on our platform, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to assist and create the promotion strategy for your app, as well as to find the search request that may be used in your App Store optimization and keyword promotion.